Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are adjustable headrests, fuel data display, traction control system, 3-point rear seatbelts, ambient light package, rear window defroster, and power outlet. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.